sugar, spice, and everything nice. I'm your host Harris Pianavong, and you are now watching Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, you guys are in for a treat. We're going to be making one of my favorites of all time, the very spicy, the very addicting mango dipping sauce. Alright guys, let's get started. First, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of toasted rice powder. Next, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, or of course your desired amount. Next, 1 cup of sugar. You don't want it too sweet, use less. 1 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate, of course this is optional. 1 teaspoon of fermented fish sauce, badeg, also optional. 1 cup of palm sugar. 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 1 cup of minced shallots. And lastly, a half a cup of fish sauce. Using a spoon, you're going to give it a stir for the next 15 to 30 seconds. You want to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed in well. Look at that guys, I'm drooling already. And voila! Just like that guys, we're done. Gosh, this is so perfect for any sweet or sour fruits. Alright, let's get ready to take our first bite. I was lucky to get some baby mangoes. Putting extra shallots in mine. Let's take a first bite. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. Spicy. I'm gonna have to use the restroom after this. Apples and plum. Who loves baby mangoes? Baby mangoes. But more. I could kill a vampire right now with my breath. Hey guys, that was fun. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.